Hello class 10th. Today's topic is force acting on a current carrying conductor in a magnetic field. Now up to this topic we have learned two things. What is magnetic field and who can produce magnetic field. We have learned that a magnet, bar magnet, permanent magnet can produce magnetic field around it. What is magnetic field? Magnetic field is a space around any magnet where if another magnet is brought, that magnet experiences force of attraction or repulsion. But in this part of the topic, and the second one was when a current carrying conductor is there, it also produces magnetic field around it. And we have seen also in the diagrams. We can have a straight line which can produce magnetic field. We can have circular wire which can produce magnetic field. We can have also solenoidal bodies, long solenoid. They can also produce magnetic field, and especially solenoid can act as a bar magnet, temporary bar magnet, or electromagnet is also called. But in this topic we will discuss when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, it experiences force. Okay, then you can see what is there. Especially the topic is, you can see, experimentally it is also found when a current carrying conductor is placed in magnetic field, it experiences force except when it is placed parallel to the magnetic field. मतलब क्या हुआ कि a current carrying conductor always experiences force when placed in magnetic field except when direction of current and direction of magnetic field are parallel to each other. ये parallel मतलब हो गया कैसे, current and magnetic field both are in same direction, current and magnetic field opposite in direction. Okay. The force acting on the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field is due to interaction between किसके किसके कारण का हो सकता है. नंबर वन, magnetic field due to current carrying conductor. Number two, external magnetic field in which the conductor is placed. तो क्या कह रहे हैं, the force acting on the current carrying conductor in a magnetic field is due to interaction between magnetic field due to current carrying conductor and external magnetic field in which the conductor is placed. Okay. The resultant of these two magnetic fields is not uniform. It is weaker on the side of the conductor than on the other side. The conductor therefore experiences a resultant force in the direction of weaker magnetic field. Okay. This can be understood with the help of experiment known as kicking wire experiment. Kick matlab you know already what is meant by kick. Okay. In the same manner we can talk like this. क्या शो कर रहे हैं? There is a U-shaped magnet with one end as a north, other end as a south pole. In between two, a container filled with mercury is there, in which a wire is hanging. Wire is basically not made of iron. When current is passed through it, in the first part where the current is passed, okay, current can pass from up to down, or current can pass from down to up. Okay. The experiment has been designed to show the relation between number one, direction of force acting on the wire, that is a conductor carrying current, B, direction of current flowing through it, and C, direction of magnetic field in wire in which the wire is placed. A straight conductor is with a straight wire with connection at its upper end hangs between the two poles of a magnet and its lower end is dipping into the small pool of mercury. Okay, in the depression, cut in a piece of wood. When the current is and the current is provided so that current can be adjusted to the minimum value. किससे करेंगे? रिहेस्टेट से करेंगे. We can vary the current required for working of the experiment because a large current results in the heating of the wire. तो हम लोग करंट कम रखेंगे. Following observations were made. Number 1, when the key K is closed, the current flows downward and hanging wire swings forward. This causes the wire to leave the contact with mercury. Current becomes 0, again goes back. When it goes back, it again comes in contact with mercury, current passes, it again comes out. Therefore, what happens? Whenever it comes in, goes in, current is flowing through it, it experiences force and it comes outside. In the same manner, when we reverse the direction of current, now if the current flows from into the upward direction, it swings into the backward direction. Then what will happen? When it goes backward, it disconnects with the and current becomes 0. It returns back to its original position. Then again it comes and gets kicked inward. Okay. The direction of force on the wire is also reversed. इसका मतलब तो ही हुआ. If the direction of the magnetic field is reversed. Okay. If you reverse the direction of magnetic field, make it south pole, make it north pole. Then if the current goes downward, then it will be kicked backward and vice versa. Clear? But if the wire is placed parallel to the magnetic field, it does not experience force. Then what we can conclude? The magnitude of force acting on it will depend on following factor. किस पे? Force is directly proportional to current, force is directly proportional to length, force is directly proportional to magnetic field. In this one, the current and field is perpendicular to each other. Okay, then combining all of them, it becomes F proportional to IBL, yeah, F equal to KIBL. Experimentally, it is shown that, observe that K equal to 1, hence F equal to IBL. Okay, this is the amount of force. And unit of magnetic field, I have told you already, it is Tesla. Hope you have understood what we wish to say. In case of direction of the force, you can use left hand rule like this. Okay, stretch your left hand, middle finger, index finger and thumb normal to each other. If the middle finger represents current, index finger represents magnetic field, then thumb represents direction of force. Okay, hope you would have understood. Thank you very much.